Welcome everybody. Today is May 25th. Today is the official grand opening of Volcano Bay, guys. You don't know how excited I am for Volcano Bay to open. We're about to go through the metal detector for the shuttle to Volcano Bay. Right over here, guys. Here are the metal detector. You can see the Volcano Bay shuttle. I will be back to show you some more in a little bit. Here we are. We are officially walking over to Volcano Bay, guys. I will give you a walk, show you how the walk is to Volcano Bay, guys. We just got off the shuttle from the parking garage.
We couldn't find the ones for our phone. I can buy one. It doesn't even fit her phone. Oh, yeah. GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro was only $80, but it works so well.
They look cool going through this tunnel, guys. They're really wet in here. Volcano Bay. And now we're going up the escalator.
Give me a hop. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Have a great day.
My mom's so cool.
Oh, now she does?
Yeah.
There's a Volcano Bay, guys. Here you buy your ticket if you don't have a season pass and stuff. Today the park hours from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. guys. See how tall you have to be? I don't know if you can see it. And here I will be right back after I go in the park. The volcano. I got to go in Volcano Bay before David. Bye.
I can do just a good job.
And here's the marketplace. You could get lost in this place, guys. We're taking a walk over to the volcano a little bit.
And we just ask that you don't go down to the beach. You
Okay.
can just go right here, it's fine. Morning, sir. How are you? All right, and you? Good. Welcome. We're so glad that you're here. Oh, glad to finally be here.
I most definitely will not be riding that.
And you could even see Calvert Camp. Well, with the hotel is Calvert Bay. Hey guys, they gave us free breakfast today for the grand opening. A little tour of Volcano Bay, guys. I just had my breakfast, I'm good.
Guys, your station's around the corner. Well, have a good. I know there's a bunch of people sitting down there.
Okay, thank you.
And here's the volcano guy, the other angle of it. And here, Cabana Bay, right there.
Section of the park is closed right now, but until further notice, because we're about to film something here. So and there's bathrooms and lockers that you can still, do what you need to over there. But welcome.
This side closed because we've got film. Look on the other side, guys. Unfortunately, me and David can't take any camera on the ride because we didn't get a waterproof camera. And this camera not waterproof.
It's like $10 more a night. Oh, that's worth it.
I'll see you guys.
Let's go on this side of the fucking way. Let's see how far. Okay. On this side, guys. And here's the t-shirt and the cup and everything at Volcano Bay. Hoping people buy it. They are hoping. We're finally moving. for whatever we are going to about to do. And today the Tim Factor is here. Hopefully we'll run into the Tim Factor.
I'm trying to work all the time too. I'm just happy to get out of work.
Get out of work with pay and be open to society. Watch it, I mean, just flash around. Think about what the suffers.
I just started my job last year. My boss was asking about overtime last year. I was like, I can't go.
Better.
Why not? It's Bobby in Florida.
This is the first time we got to go this close to the wave pool level for this. Here's the volcano. You get to see a big view of everything right here.